Welcome to the world of organic home vegetable gardening. In this guide, we'll explore simple yet effective methods to grow healthy and delicious vegetables right in your backyard. Instead of relying solely on chemical fertilizers, we'll focus on nurturing the soil, starting seeds, and so much more. Here are 6 basic tips that every organic gardener should know. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. On number 1, build healthy soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Instead of just feeding plants with fertilizers, we'll focus on enriching the soil. This means adding organic matter like compost, which provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Healthy soil is alive with beneficial microbes and organisms that support plant growth. Number 2, start your own seeds. Save money and have more control over your garden by starting your own seeds. It's simple. All you need are seed trays, potting soil, and seeds. By starting indoors, you can give your seedlings a head start before transplanting them into the garden once the weather warms up. On number 3, attract pollinators. Pollinators, like bees and butterflies, play a crucial role in vegetable gardens by helping plants produce fruits and seeds. To attract them, plant flowers alongside your vegetables. Choose native plants rich in nectar and pollen, such as lavender, sunflowers, and cosmos. Providing a diverse and pesticide-free environment will encourage pollinators to visit your garden. Number 4, using compost tea and homemade organic fertilizers. Compost tea is like a superfood for your plants. It's easy to make by steeping compost in water and then applying it to your garden. Homemade organic fertilizers, such as banana peel tea or eggshell powder, onion peel, and rice water, provide nutrients without harmful chemicals. These natural alternatives nourish plants while improving soil health. On number 5, organic pest control. Combat garden pests without resorting to harmful chemicals. Companion planting involves growing certain plants together to repel pests or attract beneficial insects. For instance, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can deter nematodes. Neem oil, derived from the neem tree, is another effective organic pest control method. It disrupts the life cycle of pests without harming beneficial insects. At last, build no-dig raised beds. No-dig raised beds offer many benefits, including improved soil structure, better drainage, and fewer weeds. Instead of tilling the soil, simply layer organic materials like cardboard, straw, and compost to create raised beds. These beds provide a contained growing area where you can easily control soil quality and moisture levels. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.